How to correctly assemble your reformer into a working condition. Remove the risers and set them aside for now. Carefully unfold the reformer into a horizontal position. Secure the footbar in your desired position. Attach the risers to the frame using the pins. Fasten the straps and soft handles using the knot shown in the video. Thread the straps through the pulley and secure them to the attachment on the opposite side of the reformer. Install the foot platform and secure it with 2 screws. If needed, you can replace the foot platform with a jump board. To disassemble the reformer, remove all previously installed parts in reverse order and fold it as demonstrated in the video.